everybody, welcome back to Let's Talk. This is me, Meera. Today we're going to just try to get rid of some confusion. Now, what is this confusion about? I've heard so many people using because and so incorrectly. And why do you think that happens to us? It happens to us because we end up thinking that, oh, they're just the same. What's the difference? I will tell you what the difference is so that you can use them correctly henceforth. Are you ready to get your facts corrected and just correct your English by learning what's the difference? Let's begin with some sentences. Okay, now can you tell me a little bit about these sentences? The first sentence is, I won the race. I worked hard. Isn't it a little incomplete? It is. Now, we always add certain words to combine two sentences, right? Two clauses or two sentences. In this case, these two sentences also need a word that combines these two together and it makes more sense to us. What are these words called? They are called conjugations. Okay? Conjugations are what? It's a word that combines two clauses or two sentences. And guys, because and so are also conjugations. Okay? Now, I have to tell you that because has a word that will tell you how that is different. It is the cause of something. It is the cause of an action. Okay, it tells you what caused the action and that is how you use the word because to tell anybody what was the cause of the action. Now, for example, I won the race. I worked hard. If I have to use because in this sentence, how would I use it? I won the race because I worked hard. The cause, it has to explain the cause of the action, okay? I won the race. Why? Because I worked hard. Coming to my second point, you guys, it will always tell you the reason and the question you must ask or you can ask to get an answer with the word because would be why it happened, why something happened or how come it happened. Now, for example, I won the race. How come? Because I worked hard. Did you get it? Correct. Again, let me repeat this. I won the race. Why? How come? How come did you win the race? Because I worked hard. See how I explained using the word because, the cause of the action. Now, moving to the next segment, which is the word so. Now, so tells us the result of an action. Okay, the way because tells us the cause, so tells us the result of an action. And the question you can ask is what happened? Let's take a look at this. I won $1 million, full stop. I am happy. Now we need to combine these two sentences and we will use the conjugation so, the word so. I won $1 million, so I'm happy. Who wouldn't be, right? Well, I'm happy. What happened? I won $1 million. Now, if you have to use the word so, you only have to ask the question, what happened? I won $1 million. So I'm happy. That's what happened. Did you get it? Now, I'll tell you, I'm just going to repeat these two sentences so that I make sure that you have understood it because that is my job. And let's get started. I won the race because I worked hard. Okay, now I'm going to use so in the same sentence. I worked hard, so I won the race. Now I'm going to write these down so that, see, I use the word so that you don't get confused. I won the race because I worked hard. Okay, you guys, see the way I have used the word because here. Now let's take a look at the same sentence using the word so. I worked hard. What happened? So I won the race. Okay, see the difference? Now let's take a look at the second sentence. I won $1 million. I'm happy. I'm happy because I won $1 million. I am happy because I won $1 million. Okay, why are you happy? Because I won $1 million. Who wouldn't be? Now, same sentence with the word so, the way we did previously. I won $1 million, so I am happy. The sentences literally reverse and interchange when we use either because or so. Now, guys, there is a little bit of an addition when we speak about so. So is also used as an adverb. See what I've written here? It's also used as an adverb. It helps us express or tell us a little bit more about the verb. Okay, now for example, he walks so fast. It's a simple rule. It's verb plus so. Now, as soon as I use the word so over here, it tells you the intensity of how fast he walks. And that's another way we use the word so, but that's as an adverb and not as a conjugation. But the reason why I've written it over here is because I don't want you to be confused anymore, and that is why we have these sentences over here. I won the race because I worked hard. I worked hard, so I won the race. Okay. I won $1 million. I'm happy. I'm happy because I won $1 million. I won $1 million, so I'm happy. Alright guys, I hope I have helped you at least a little bit to get rid of your confusion as far as because and so are considered. I will be back very soon with another interesting topic that will help you sort out your confusion and learn a little bit more. But that's all for the day, guys. Make sure that you take the quiz down below and you would understand how well you have understood this lesson for the day. Alright guys, I will see you soon. Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, spread a lot of love. This is me, Meera.